All right, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Canadian Japanese yen right now is about to break. Now we're talking about the level of 76.43. That's our official trigger. And we're talking about a move that's about 180 pip. Probably less than that from where we're trading right now. It's about 170 pip towards 74.66. That's the target. Now, before we're going to jump in, we need to let price actually prove to break through that area. So we need to wait till the end of the day. If price is going to break below, right, close the day below 76.43, we're going to jump in. As long as it's not going to be too deep. We will need at least 50 or 60 pip in order to participate in this potential move. Now, we don't want to jump right now, because this might be a bit of a trap. This might be just a bearish trap where price is going to do what it did a few days back, right? A few days ago, we had the same situation. Price was coming from above. It was pressing on that 76.43. By the way, you see two levels here, which means it's even a stronger area, right? We're talking about 76.43, but we also have 76.60, 17 pip of difference between these two key levels. But you can see how price kind of tried to penetrate in both occasions. It spiked those two key levels, right? So, the market is addressing these two key levels as one unit of support. So you can see how price tried once, then it tried twice, right? The second time it failed. It bounced off that level. So, it's important that we'll have that breakdown confirmation by the end of the day. Now, if price will actually bounce back up just as it did a few days ago and just spike that area, but eventually end up, above 76.60, that's going to be a bullish sign in itself. Now, I'm not saying we're going to jump in immediately. We might actually wait for price to actually cross over 78, right, with a weekly breakout confirmation. This time, what we didn't get last week. Right, take a look. Last week just spiked that 78, show you that this is a serious resistance. Now, so we're both, we are equally inclined for both directions, but we believe that price is actually breaking right now, right? Even though we have to respect, the noise that's coming from the intraday, price action, we have to respect that. So we're going to wait to the end of the day just to make sure. But we feel that this is a legit breakdown right now. So even if we're going to be able to catch 60 or 70 pip here, we're going to be happy. We're going to be pleased with that. All right? Just saying. It's better be, the saying, it's better be safe than sorry, right? But yeah, so we have a bit of we have about 160, 170, 180 pip of a potential move. This is a classic short-term type of trading opportunity. This is the short-term cycle we're dealing here with. This is the key level system. This is the formation, guys. This is here it is. This is the up and down dance, right? The back and forth dance, and we think price could manifest the continuation of this move all the way back to the lower section, which is pretty much where it came from. All right, interesting stuff. So yeah, that's the situation right now. Canadian Japanese yen. As you can see, since we're equally inclined for both directions in terms of taking action, you can imagine that we're going to be back soon to follow up on on the developing situation. That's about that for this one. That's about that for today. We'll be back tomorrow. So see you then. Bye bye.